We have added the repository pattern for inquiry header and detail. What we need to do is when we submit an inquiry, we need to add records to the inquiry tables. Before we get into those details, if we take a look at the cart controller as well as our home controller, what we are using is application DB context. We want to get rid of all application DB context and be dependent on repository pattern. So I want you to pause this video and try to see if you can get rid of the DB context and use our repositories. I hope you were able to eliminate the application DB context in both home and cart controller. In order to do that, first we need to analyze that what models we are using inside the DB context. So if we scroll down, right here we are using the product, so we need the product repository, and we're also using category. So we need product and category repository. Let's scroll down to see if we have anything else. We have product here. We'll scroll further down. Yep, that's it. So we'll change this to product repository and we'll call this _prod repo. Next we need a private read-only category repository and we'll call this cat repo. We'll add those using dependency injection here. Perfect, so we have added those. Then let's modify the calls here. So this will be _prod repo dot include. We have inside get all, and we have the include properties. Again here we need the string and make sure the name is exactly same as your model name. So we have category, comma, we have the application type. It will retrieve all the products with the include, and we have the category repository dot get all. That looks good. Let's scroll down. Here we have the same thing, so we can copy this products call and we'll paste it right here. Along with that, we have a where condition and we have first.default here. So what we'll do is rather than get all, we will be using first.default, and we have our where condition. So right here before include properties, we will add our filter which says u goes to u.id is equal to id. Then we can eliminate this where condition, and perfect. This looks good. We need a comma here and not semicolon. Let me change that and the errors go away. We'll scroll down and see where we have the _db. Yep, everything looks good, and we have eliminated the application DB context from home controller. Let's do the same in cart controller. First thing first, let me remove this application DB context altogether, and we'll see the errors. That way we'll know what are all of the repositories that we need. We need the product here. It's product. We have application user. We'll scroll down and yep, we just need product and application user. Now application user we do not have in our repository if you examine that in data access. So first let's add a repository for the application user and fix the cart controller.